Welcome creative to DN Studios. Today I'll be showing you how I created this amazing glow effect in Adobe Photoshop in just 5 minutes. Yeah, you heard me, 5 minutes. So without wasting much time, let's get cooking. So first I'm going to increase the resolution of my image from 72 to 200. Okay, haven't done that. Yeah, this is perfect. Haven't done that. I'll move forward to my blend adjustment mode and I'll click on level. I'm going to bring that all the way down to making it dark, because the more dark it is, the more my effect will pop. Yeah, a little more. So I'll come back to the adjustment tab and click on solid view with an orange color selected. I'll click OK and change the blending mode to linear dodge add. Double click on it to bring up my blend if. Holding an alternate, I'll click on these two arrows there to make the black shadows at the back of my layer to pop. So I'm going to set my brush to paint over the areas I want my light to reflect, to shine, yeah, majorly the eye. Let me use the word majorly the eye, just like that. I'm going to paint over the areas I know it's been needed, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay, now this is perfect. Moving forward to my adjustment tab, I'm going to select a yellowish, yeah, a yellow color. So I'll set the blending mode to linear dodge add, and repeating same process, the blend if, and Control I to invert the mask. Now with a smaller size of brush and soft edge brush, I'm going to paint over the middle of the eyes and my areas where I've painted the light to give this feel that, yeah, it's brighter from inside, because that's what light literally does, just like that. Now this is cool. So moving forward, just one more time, we're going to create a solid view with an orange color selected. We'll send the blending mode to linear dodge add. This time we're not going to bring up the blend if, so instead we're going to increase our brush, set our flow to 6 or 4, depending on how you want it. So moving forward, I'll save this image, Ctrl S to save as JPEG, and after saving it, I'm going to bring it back up to Photoshop, or as you guys will usually know, for camera raw filter. So I'm going to trim the colors, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So I tried this with other drawings, and these are the results. Amazing, just amazing. So I know you'll try this art. It's really cool.